Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you an easy fix if your iPhone's not charging, or if it is charging but it has to be at a certain angle or it'll stop charging. What I'm about to show you may fix your problem, but having said that, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the only thing you're going to need is a paper clip or something very similar to this. And once you get a paper clip, you're going to want to go ahead and extend it so that way it looks like this. If you don't have a paper clip, maybe a SIM ejector or something similar could work as well. Anyways, now that we have our tool, you're going to want to get your iPhone and go to the charging port. And what happens most of the time is that pocket lint gets into the charging port, which then prevents the phone from charging, or you have to go ahead and put it at a certain angle. So we're going to go ahead and remove all that pocket lint that is stuck in our charging port. You're going to want to do this very carefully so you don't mess up anything in your phone. And here you could already see some pocket lint coming out of my phone. Bam, you see that? I've only had this phone for 3 to 4 months and it is charging perfectly fine, but there you can go ahead and see some of the buildup already happening, and when enough of this gets in your charging port, it will prevent it from charging. On older phones, you will see a ton of that pocket lint come out, and you'll quickly realize that that was the problem all along. I'm going to show you another example with this old iPhone. We're going to go ahead and just pick and see what comes out. There you can see some more pocket lint. It is pretty nasty, but it is what it is. Everyone has this in their pocket and it will get in your phone charging port. Here's another example. Let's go ahead and see what we can get out of this one. Yeah, this one definitely has some as well. Boom, this one is pretty big, pretty nasty. Some of them are way worse than this though. If your phone won't charge, you're gonna get something way more vicious than this. But other than that, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.